Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Everlance app helps with tracking mileage, managing expenses, and organizing finances, especially for freelancers, independent contractors, and small business owners. Everlance is designed to automate and simplify expense and mileage tracking for tax purposes. Once you install the app and sign up, you can allow it to run in the background and automatically detect when you're driving. Every trip is logged using GPS, and you can later categorize it as business, personal, or another custom label. This makes it especially useful during tax season, as it ensures your mileage deductions are accurate and ERS compliant. In addition to mileage tracking, Everlance also lets you link your bank and credit card accounts. It pulls in your transactions and helps you categorize them for business use, personal use, or other categories you can set. You can even add receipts and notes to each expense, which is useful for keeping detailed records if you're ever audited. The app also includes a feature to set up rules, so certain recurring transactions or trips are automatically categorized. This saves time over the long run and ensures consistency in how your records are organized. You can export detailed reports at any time in PDF or CSV format, which makes it easier to share information with your accountant or keep records for yourself. For those who need more in-depth support, Everlance also offers a premium version that includes advanced features like automatic trip classification, more detailed reports, and higher monthly trip limits. The premium plan is especially helpful if you drive frequently for work or manage multiple income streams. While Everlance is powerful and well-suited for self-employed professionals, some users may find the free version limiting, and GPS tracking can occasionally miss shorter or interrupted trips. Still, it remains one of the most user-friendly and efficient options available for mileage and expense tracking. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.